Hello, we are the UNCC ME Water team, and our project was water channel flow characterization and optimization. My name is Kevin Tunsil, and along with me we have Juan Arteaga, William Cruz, Jordan Locklear, Samantha Kovich, and Jacob Lackey. And our sponsor for this project was the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. The main objective of our project was to characterize and optimize the water channel that we have in the Motorsports Research Building to achieve a uniform flow velocity of the tests in the test section, where different scale models are used to create fluid simulations. This was accomplished by providing maintenance documents and cleaning the channel, utilizing CFD simulation tools, doing real-world testing with flow characteristics with sensors, and also a final test after we had made our implementations. As the objective of our project was to determine the flow field characteristics of the water channel, we first had to get it into a testable state. This was needed because the channel had sat for over a year and had gone into neglect. So we had to perform maintenance on it and provide maintenance documents for in the future so it doesn't get into a state like that. Once we were in that state, we did flow field testing using sensors. We also had to address some safety concerns by designing a catwalk, and then also we implemented our solutions and tested them at the end. The main verifications that we had used is we had cleaned the channel as well and created a maintenance plan for the future to narrow it down to a lesser time frame between cleans and also to set a standard practice for how this should be done in the future. We use Excel using data from a vernier flow rate sensor to create flow distribution maps in the real world. We use Star CCM to create CFD simulations for theoretical purposes. We use SolidWorks for our 3D models and catwalk design. And then mesh was used along with recalking and adding a splash guard to the channel. And then these methods were all tested after the fact. Here's some pictures of after our maintenance is complete. We can see that the channel is much cleaner than it was before, and the buildup has been addressed. Here's an example of our flow test rig, and also here's a flow field, and you can see that it's faster towards the inner wall. Here's the catwalk that we designed to address the safety concerns of potential fall hazards. Here's some meshing that we did for our CFD simulation. And here's the mesh that we had installed to restrict the centrifugal forces of the channel and kind of slow it down near the middle and inner wall. And here's our just outline of our project, starting from the maintenance to flow testing to creating the catwalk and mesh design at the end. And here are our references.